Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's what we are looking at this Saturday. It's going to be sunny and warm for most parts of South Africa this afternoon. But we are going to stay with the frosty conditions tonight for the eastern highveld areas. And on Sunday, we see more sunny weather across much of South Africa. Now, here on the latest satellite picture, we have cloud-free skies that are going to allow for sunny weather this Saturday across much of South Africa. But we have quite a bit of cloud starting to creep into the northeastern areas of the Limpopo province. So it's going to be sunny and warm this afternoon for much of the country. But later on, we could see very isolated showers over parts of northeastern Limpopo. Then tonight, we stay with clear conditions across much of South Africa. Then on Sunday, we are going to see more sunny weather across much of the country. However, we are going to have a bit of cloud creeping onto the southwest coastline ahead of this cold front that is set to hit our shores as we go into Monday. No rain forecast for your Saturday across much of the country, but there is going to be just about a 20% chance of showers for parts of northeastern Limpopo. We have a warning issued by the South African Weather Service for high fire danger over parts of the southern interior. Where you see that shade of red, there is a very good chance of runaway fires this Saturday, so you need to be very careful around any open fires. It's going to be rather breezy for the southern areas of the Northern Cape, winds reaching 35 kilometers per hour around Sutherland. Moderate northwesterlies around the Cape Peninsula, light to moderate winds are forecast along much of the east coast, and light winds can be expected for the central and eastern parts of the country. This afternoon, it's going to be pretty warm for the southern and western parts of South Africa. A top temperature of 30 for Springbok, 31 for Vredendal, the same for Appington. Cape Town is going to be mild, however, peaking at 23 degrees. George hits the 30-degree mark this afternoon. Pretty warm for Port Elizabeth and Bishop, both reaching highs of around 28. Cooler over the eastern areas, where highs in the mid-20s are forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal and the northeastern areas, where Johannesburg should peak at around 24 degrees, 27 for the high in Mahikeng. Then tonight, it's going to be pretty chilly. Frosty conditions are possible for parts of the Free State, northwest, southern Gauteng, and the Mpumalanga highveld. A low of 8 is forecast for Johannesburg, the same for Mahikeng. Warmer as we go towards the coastal areas, where minimums in the mid-teens are expected. Cape Town drops to 13 degrees as we get into Sunday morning, the same for Vredendal and Appington, and a minimum of 7 is forecast around Kimberley. Now, looking ahead to the next 5 days for Cape Town, it's going to stay dry on Sunday with temperatures peaking at 23 degrees. Rainy weather sets in on Monday with a high of 21. The rain continues into Tuesday, but dry conditions will return on Wednesday and Thursday. For the rest of South Africa, we are going to see lots of sunshine on Sunday with warm to hot temperatures in most areas. Then on Monday, rainy weather sets in over the western parts of the country. It's going to be partly cloudy for the southwestern sections, but sunny conditions continue for the rest of the country.